Yeah. What's up, my beautiful peeps? Yeah, outside again for another one. Yeah, man, check in. I cook a little pot, you know, some rice and peas. Check out what I go on. Scallion, carrot, Irish garlic. Got a one coconut, rice and peas. Yeah, man, and some brown stew fish. Some firewood over there, so ready for chop up. Stay tuned for that. Now that the fire is catched, I'm gonna box the coconut and break the coconut to get the milk out of it. So I make the fire go and blaze down to coal. Yeah, I don't want such a big fire, I want the coal. In the meantime, the fire burn down to coal. I will box this coconut and grate it. I'm gonna scale the fish in the meantime. I'll season it up. Stay tuned for that. I break the coconut and check it. Yummy delicious. I'm gonna go through and box out this coconut with a knife. Use the shell as fuel. Fire hot. So I go through and wash off it. Then use the grater and grate it. Fish here to season. Look at that. And stay tuned, be cooking coming up. Yummy delicious. Now that the fire burned down, time to check on the peas pot. Yeah, peas fully cooked now. Right, look at that. Yeah, bubble. Yeah, man, time to get the coconut now. Yeah, look at that. Fully cooked. Now that the coconut is fully grated, time to get the milk out of it. Time to get some seasoning in the pot. Let that go and bubble. It's time to get the rice in the pot now. It's time to give it a little stir. Yeah, look at that. Make that go and slow cook down. Yeah, now share. Time to get the frying pot on the fire now. Yeah. Nice. But it to get dark, you know, guys, and don't have any light. I have to do this quick. See the fish fully seasoned up now. My oil here. I'm seasoning here. So I get some fish in the hot oil now. Okay, oil fully hot now. We start with this one. Guys, I got my carrot them here, so I'm Irish. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time.